a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I don't have my, oh my gosh, I have such an egghead. But anywho, we're going to be doing a hair review on UNice wig today, you guys. They sent over a closure wig. This is going to be a very easy tutorial. I'm not gluing anything down. This is how the hair look right out of the pack. It is a beautiful curly unit. I did not dye it. I didn't do anything. The lace look a little light. This is a really big closure. It does have like these spaces in the inside so your hair can really breathe. It also have an elastic band. I love these type of bands because definitely with closures, so you can tighten your hair really tight. So I am going to go ahead and use some Ruby Kisses foundation. I'm going to use some of that on this hair. On the lace, because I want it to look like my complexion. I want it to look really melted. This is perfect for my everyday girl who's really not into like wigs or really don't know how to do wigs and want to take their hair off every day. This will be really good for you. Now this unit did come with baby hairs. I'm probably going to change the way they laid it because I like to do my own baby hairs to fit my face. So all I did was make the lace my color. So I'm going to tighten this all the way tight. And we're going to put it on and see what it's giving. Child, my whole stocking cap just came off. Don't worry about it. Okay, this looks really good. It's matching my hairline really good. Wow, I didn't expect it to look like this, y'all. Not saying that they don't have good units, it's just that I wasn't expecting it to look like this. Look how flat this is. When it comes to closure, they're getting so much better with closures. So as far as the baby hair, okay, so I'm gonna use the comb on the side to make sure that it's down and secured. Wow. So, oh, that's kind of tight. I don't want it to pull my edges. My hair is super fine around the edges, so you want to make sure it's not doing that. Wow, you can actually keep the baby hairs like this. I am just gonna run my fingers through it a little bit to break the curls up a little bit. Do you guys like big hair? I'm starting to fall back in love with big hair. Wow, this looks so natural. Okay, so as far as the baby hair, this is a little bit too much for me. Yeah. I'm gonna just take a little bit away. I don't like my baby edges too thick. I'm gonna push some back like so. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna just take a couple of hairpins, y'all, and just pin the back down a little bit. I love doing that. Like put a little hairpin in the back just so it can fit like a little bit more snug. So I'm gonna do that and hook my hot comb up. Okay, you guys, so I literally just damped the hair a little bit before I put mousse on it. So I'm going to just take my hot comb. Y'all, the way this closure is so flat, I don't know if you guys are used to wearing closures, but if you are, they used to make the closure super bulky at the top, and no matter what you do, you always feel like you are wearing a closure. That's why I always preferred frontals. I got a piece of hair right here. I always preferred frontals over closures just due to the fact that it used to look like a hat sometimes. Girl, not anymore. It's super, super flat. Just hot comb it a little bit like this. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, this hair looks so beautiful. I can't believe how flat this closure wig is. I was gonna sell this closure wig. I don't think I'm gonna sell this closure wig anymore. Like, this is like one of the best closure wigs. I don't know if it's because it's a bigger closure, but like, this is how your closure wigs is supposed to look. I'm gonna just add a little bit of mousse on the hair, just like that. But look at this. This is so beautiful. Same thing. I'm gonna wet it down. It's only been like 15 minutes, y'all, and my hair is pretty much done. If my girls called me right now and was like, oh my gosh, I want to go to Taco Tuesday, girl, I'll be ready to go. There's no excuse to say, oh no, my hair not done. If my husband say, you know, let's go on a date, I'll be ready. I'll be ready. I'm the type of girl, I love to stay ready, and this is going to be my new stay ready unit. And the hairpins in the back, you guys, that's a little trick. Use some hairpins to really tighten the wig up. You can even sew a band on it if you want to, but I just used the hairpins. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to just fix the part a little bit, just so we don't be crooked. It don't have to be super straight, because I love that natural looking part. Look. Now, I'm going to add a little product right here so it can be a little defined on the top. Wow. It just looks so good. Okay guys, I wanted to give you one more style on how you can wear your closure unit. This is just up in a ponytail, like a up in a high clip. Now the sides, I just got them looking messy looking, like on the side. Nobody's really gonna care how that looks. As long as you have it, I just put a couple of hairpins on the side just so it can like camouflage, but it's gonna give you the look that you need it to give you. It just looks so good. So good. I love this like effortless look. You can also pull out some pieces from the back to make it look a little bit more messy, like so. Oh, this is so pretty. This is like that messy, cute girl look. So like chic. Nobody's gonna check for the size of your hair. You can get some hairpins and just pull random pieces of hair down on the side. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Like so. Alright guys, so that is it for this hair tutorial. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. Like I said, this unit is completely glueless, but it's just so flawless on my hair. I'll leave the link to everything down below for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how you can wear this unit in different ways. Look at that. Oh child, you cannot tell me this is not giving. And I didn't even do it the neatest I probably would do it, but you don't want it to look neat. You kind of want it to look a little bit messy, like you didn't try. You just threw your hair up in a ponytail and you're just out the door and you're gone. Like this part, this one here, I want this to be a little bit shorter right here. Then you can get some hair clip, you can get some pins. And yeah, this is just giving This is my type of vibe. You can wear your hair down like I showed you guys. You can wear it down, or you can wear it like I'm wearing it, which is like that effortless type of vibe. I love my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.